Morning, dear children. Today's thought for the day is dreams have no boundaries. I repeat, dreams have no boundaries. Children, we all should dream and aspire to be whatever we want in life. Dreams have power to widen our vision. So, dream big and work hard to achieve your goals. Today we are going to do another digraph. PH. Digraph means two letters make a single sound. I repeat, two letters make a single sound. The sound of P is P and the sound of H is H. Together they form F. I repeat, they form F. We are going to understand the digraph PH a little better by doing an activity. The name of the activity is Philip Elephant. Are you all excited? Do you want to know what are we going to do? Alright. Philip the elephant has lost his tail and I am going to blindfold myself and will try to put the tail correctly. The number of times I am going to put it incorrectly, I am going to tell you a word with sound F. Digraph PH. Children, I cannot see anything from the blindfold. Now I am going to place the tail on the elephant. So let me try putting the tail. Let me check whether I have put it correctly or not. Oh, I have put the tail incorrectly. So the first word is sphere. I repeat, sphere. Can you hear the sound of sphere? Let me try once more. Let me see. Oh, again I made a mistake. So let me teach you another word. So the next word is dolphin. Dolphin. Can you hear the sound of dolphin? Let's do it once again and let me put the tail. Okay, let me check. Oh, again I made a mistake. Let me teach you another word. The next word is alphabet. I repeat, alphabet. Can you hear the sound of alphabet? Now let's try again. Okay, let me check. I again place it incorrectly. So the next word coming up for you is nephew. Nephew. The word is nephew. Can you hear the sound of nephew? Alright, let me try once more. Alright, done. Let me teach you another word. So the next word is phone. Phone. Can you hear the sound of in phone? Phone. Okay, let's go. Let's do it for the last time. Just for the last time. We are so near, dear children. Let's learn one word and see if I could do in the next attempt. So the next word is photo. Can you hear the sound of F in photo? Okay, my dear children, as you all know, we were so close. I'm just going to try it once more and let's see if we are able to place it correctly. So here we go. Okay, done. Oh yes, we are able to place it correctly. So let's revise the words. Sphere, phone, dolphin, photo, alphabet, nephew. I hope you all enjoyed the activity. Dear children, now I am going to explain you the meaning of the words we have done. So the first word is photo. Photo means image or picture. Photo. The next word is phone. Phone is a medium of communication. Phone. Dolphin. Dolphin is a type of a fish. Dolphin. Elephant, a very large animal. I repeat, a very large animal. Elephant. Alphabets, a set of letters in a fixed order. Alphabets. The next word is nephew, a son of one's brother or sister. Nephew. Sphere, a round figure like orange. Trophy, an award or a prize given for a victory. Trophy. I hope you have understood the meaning of the words. Revise all the words with sound F. Digraph PH. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye.